what is multiplying fractions and how to solve multiplying fractions. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I will be explaining multiplying fractions. So multiplying fraction means when multiplying two or more fractions together, and this is done by multiplying the numerators and denominators separately, and you will have to simplify the fractions so that it will be easier to cancel the fraction before you can multiply. So for example, over here we will be writing, it is chapter 5.2, chapter 5.2, multiplying fractions. So in multiplying fractions, if we have two fractions like 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 7, so what we will do is we will simplify. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and then 3 ones are 3 and 7 twos are 14. So the answer will be 3 over 14. Then second will be 5 over 7 multiplied by 3. So below 3 there is always a number 1, because 3 divided by 1 will be 3. So 5 and 1 are the simplest number and 7 and 3 are simplest. So 5 is a 15 divided by 7. Now 15 cannot be divisible by 7, so we will write this as it is. But if the question states write this as a mixed fraction, then you have to write this in mixed fraction. But you have to do right now like this, or even mixed fraction if the question states. So if the question states mixed fraction, so you will write 2, 1 and 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. And third type of question is 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 9. So what we will do is, here 9 cannot be divisible by 2 and 5 cannot be divisible by 3. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 9s are 27. So this is the least divisible number that can be done. So this is how we will be solving multiplying fraction and how to solve multiplying fraction. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you have any questions, comment down in the video and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.